So first we open up our packages. There are a total of 6 main ropes inside. Then wrap it around this rubber band. It's a piece of twisted wire that wraps at the beginning and the end. And then there's a buckle, a sewing kit. In addition, we also need an extra pair of scissors and a tape measure. So let's make it. Let's put our sewing kit first and the wrapping wire on the side. Then take apart our 6 main ropes. Then take out our buckles. Put 6 main ropes. Go through this hole in the traction buckle separately. After adjusting the 6 threads, we're going to fold our 6 main threads in half. After folding in half, we can sort it out here, our 6 main ropes. And you take out the short string. Take a piece and fold it in half. Put it on our main rope. Then start winding. There are 10 circles in total here. After winding twice, we can adjust our main rope. Make it a little neater. After 10 turns of winding are completed, here, we cut the thread. Put the rest of the line aside for end winding use. And you run the thread through the hole. Then tighten the thread on the other end. Pull our knots as far as possible into the middle of the entanglement. Then cut off the excess thread. We can use scissors. The pointed part hides the 2 threads. We found a place to fasten our buckles. Okay, now, So we've actually divided our rope into 4 sections. First, take out the middle 2 parts. Then put the purple line on the right. Press above the yellow line. After pressing, we'll put the purple one on the far right. From the bottom of all the ropes to the top of the purple line. Then wrap the yellow rope on the far left from left to top. Press over the purple rope. And then we went right and left. The form on the right and the left is woven down. We'll put the yellow rope on the far right. Pull from bottom to top. From the middle of the purple and yellow ropes, respectively. Press on top of the yellow rope. Here we go! Continue to put the purple rope on the far left from bottom to top. From the middle of the yellow and purple rope. Press from bottom to top over the yellow rope. Then continue the opposite and place the purple rope on the far right. Press from bottom to top on top of the purple rope. Continue to pull the leftmost yellow rope. Press from bottom to top on top of the purple rope. Then put the yellow rope. Press from bottom to top on top of the yellow rope. Then put the purple rope on the far left. Press from bottom to top on top of the yellow rope. After, we're going to go right and left. A total of 35 to 40 feet in length. after our main part is woven. And then we do the handling part. We are still on our ropes. Find a place to fix and pull out our cords. You can cut a small section. Then, leaving a gap. And here we are at the very end. In dangled place. Then tie a knot here. Next, we're going to split the rope into 2 parts. Yellow is divided into 1 part, purple is divided into 1 part, and we began to weave together the handle sections. Here we go! And we began to weave the pieces of the handle. So we're still splitting our ropes into 4 groups first. Each set consists of 3 ropes. And then we put 1 on 3. Let's choose the rope on our far right first. From below, bottom to top in yellow. Above these 3 ropes. Then the rope on the right is still 3 ropes in a group. Then put the yellow rope on the far left. Press from bottom to top on top of the purple rope. Then continue in the opposite direction. Put the purple rope on the far right. Press from bottom to top on the left. Top 3 ropes to the right. Continue in the opposite direction. Put a yellow rope on the far left. Press from bottom to top on top of the purple rope. Then put the purple rope on the far right. Press from bottom to top on top of the yellow rope. Then put the yellow rope on the far left. Press from bottom to top above the yellow and purple ropes. Then continue to the other side. Press from bottom to top on top of the yellow rope. Then the yellow rope on the other side. Press from bottom to top on top of the purple rope. Repeat this and keep going. Weave until we think the handle is in the right place. The length of our handle. You can measure it according to your needs. You get to the right place, and you can start finishing. Too close. We're going to take out our sewing kits and the finishing touches. And here, we're going to take the knot off. Then fold our handles like this. After it is done, we can start sewing our handles together. There is no way for us to sew. Just sew our handles together. You can sew it as tightly as possible. After we fastened the two strands of rope together, we are going to cut off the extra rope. We should pay attention when cutting here. Must be cut diagonally. This will be neater when winding. You can cut it diagonally like this. Then put the extra rope aside. Continue stitching. Okay, we're done here. We can tie our sewing threads in a knot. Secure it to the rope. Then cut off the excess thread. We're going to come down here and we're going to pull out our cords. It's the same as winding at the beginning. Take the same piece and fold it in half. Then put it on our rope. Start winding. Make it as tight as possible when wrapping here. Make our rope stronger. Leaving no gaps between each lap. then later, we still put the thread. Go through this hole. Then pull the other end of the rope out. Tie the rope as much as possible, pulled into the middle of our entanglement. Then cut off the extra thread. And here, we have a simple traction rope. It's done. This rope is suitable for larger dogs. It's very sturdy. In addition, inside our traction rope, an extra small circle was prepared. If you need it, hanging pickup bags or something, you can merge the handles. Thread this little circle into our handle.